Hello there, hope you are doing well. So here is the last question of the same text. So what does the text point out here? There is a direction for question. So the directions say here that there is a passage below which is accompanied by a set of questions and choose the best answer to each question. So what I assume that the text you must have read and understood it. So what we do, we directly move to the question um, and we look into it, each of the options and analyze them carefully that why each of the option is different from one option which is correct and why other options are incorrect. Isn't it? Uh, let's look into the question. The question points out here in the passage. It in the passage you can say it is mentioned that particles with the same electric charge repel each other but are held together by additional interaction. Which of the following scenarios best parallels this concept? Now, if I look into it, we need to find out one of the option which presents the same idea, parallels, isn't it? Parallels this concept. Look into each option carefully. The first option said two magnets with the same pole orientation repelling each other when brought close. Second, people from different cultures with competing customs coming together to form a diverse community. Three, two opposite charges, positive and negative, attracting each other. Fourth, a radio tower transmitting signals to mobile phones over long distances. Now, if I look into the first option, right, so we just stated two magnets with the same pole orientation repelling each other when brought close. Now, this involves magnets with similar pole orientation like charges repelling each other, which is analogs, or it indicates the same or the parallel concept of the idea which is pointed here. So, hence, we can say option one can be the answer to it. Let's look into each of the other options. So option two said people from different cultures with competing customs coming together to form a diverse community. Now this option cannot be taken as we cannot assume that people from different cultures repel each other. So that's why option two is eliminated. Option three said two opposite charges, positive and negative, attracting each other. So it doesn't parallel the concept of like charges repelling each other, so it's not analogs also. Option 4 said a radio tower transmitting signals to mobile phones over long distances. So option 4 involves the transmission of signals but doesn't directly relate to particles with the same electric charges. So a same electric charge. So which is known as a repelling, right? Repelling each other. So it is not directly analog. So therefore, option 4 also eliminated. So 2, 3, 4 are eliminated. Hence, we find out the first option that two magnets with the same pole, right, orientation repelling each other when brought close. So the answer option should be 1, right? So that's all. Hope you understood it. That's all. Thank you.